In a peaceful dojo, two young samurai cats trained side by side under the watchful eyes of their master. But in the shadows, envy grew, one heart consumed by ambition and pride. On a moonlit night, the traitor struck, his blade ending the life of the master who raised him. The loyal disciple arrived too late, grief filling his soul as his brother-in-arms vanished into the dark. Kneeling at the shrine, he swore an oath to avenge his master and restore honor to the dojo. Far away, the traitor fled into the mist, his path swallowed by the endless bamboo forest. At dawn, the two warriors met, steel and silence prepared for the storm to come. Swords clashed, sparks flew, the forest trembling as honor and betrayal collided. With one final blow, justice was done, yet victory brought no joy, only sorrow. At sunset, the loyal samurai returned to the shrine, laying down his blade. The battle was won, but his heart remained heavy with loss.